Hi, it's Ken Hadrick with another episode of Simple Cooking for Hard Times. And today I'm going to show you how to make the best coleslaw you've ever eaten in about 2 minutes. Though in real life it'll probably take you about 7 or 8 minutes, but still not a bad deal for the world's best coleslaw. The real time saver here is that instead of doing this, and this, and this, you'll do this. So it's a chop slaw or a food processor slaw, but soon you'll be calling it your go-to slaw. Start with a small head of green cabbage, cut it into quarters, cut the quarters into chunks, and then feed those chunks to your food processor a few at a time. Do that until you have about 6 cups worth, and then put it all in a big bowl. Peel and grate a carrot, mix that in too, and believe it or not, we're almost halfway done. Now, if the processor is our time saver, our secret slaw dressing is, well, the secret to this delicious coleslaw. It has carefully calibrated amounts of mayo, sour cream or Greek yogurt, which has pretty much taken over yogurtdom, sugar, vinegar, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Touch of onion too. Whisk it all up and mix it in like you mean it. Now the part you're not going to like. Cover the slaw and let it refrigerate for at least a couple of hours before you serve it. I know, bummer, you're hungry now, but this rest is the equivalent of a spa day for your slaw because it's just happier when it's done. Now what you do with your slaw is up to you, and if you decide to make a meal of it alone, we're not going to judge. Our favorite way is on our homemade veggie burgers, and someday soon I'll turn you on to that recipe too. But until then, stay well, eat healthy, and keep smiling.